Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to showing you how to taking money of this old person using this fake viruses on their computer. So basically what you have to do is send a fake virus pop-up on the computer device with a number tag, specifically your number. On a Monday, they will call on this one pop-up. You are going to telling them the what I am going to say now. Okay, so when they are calling you, you are repeating after me. Okay, here we go. Hello sir, this is microhard technical solution. Your computer may have a virus. I will need a Steam gift card sum of $50 or more to fixing this one issue that you are having on your computer. Okay, you saying that on them. Say that to them, the sold person. Then when they give you the money in the form of the Steam gift card, you end call and you block the number so they cannot reporting you. Now that is basically how to scam them. Here are some tips to making the process much easier for you. Is siphon their money. Okay, bullet on. Basically what you can do is download make a client, download client and make the client download a remote access software to control the PC. Because they are all old people, they don't know how to using computer. Bench out this another thing that you can using is in case of a fake man, fake man hacking computer, all this that all this garbage waste fellow don't be screaming I watching this many scammer, they cussing using bench out screaming on the fake man. Don't. It's very waste of time. Best thing you can do that you are having to switch number, open VPN, go under alias. Okay, go under alias is very important. This will make the benchwards go to and not ruining your plan of operation. If the fake man has already hacked into your computer, that means too late. Too late to go under alias to this one, that one. You must getting rid of any evidence personal evidence like a name, passport, all this one, because 100% they are taking files from your PC to their PC. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please remember to subscribe, and I want to shouting out Duncan for helping making video. Thank you very much. Ready Monday.